Hi students, in last video we completed three properties. Now we will see the property 4. I'll read out the statement of the property 4. When the function f of z is equal to u plus iv is analytic, then we are going to prove that the curves u is equal to constant and v is equal to constant or orthogonal. Okay, and as usual I am defining the function f of z is equal to what? U plus iv. And what are the given things? F of z is an analytic function. So then obviously it implies what? F of z satisfies CR equation. What is CR equation? Ux is equal to Vy and Uy is equal to minus Vx. And what is the second given thing? U is constant and V is constant. All those things I write. And then the second thing what we are going to prove is u and v are orthogonal. That is, I am going to prove m1 into m2 is equal to minus 1. Okay, m1 is nothing but the slope of u curve and m2 is nothing but slope of v curve. Okay, so u and u of x comma y is equal to what? C1. If I differentiate both the side, what is the answer I will get is what? Dou u by dou x into dx plus dou u by dou y into dy. Okay, so obviously in the right hand side, if I differentiate the constant, what I will get? 0. Okay, from this one you have to find what? Dy by dx. What value I am getting is minus ux by uy. Either you can go it in this way, or in last semester you studied one formula for implicit function. So if f is an implicit function, then how to find dy by dx? It is nothing but minus dou f by dou x by dou f by dou y. Okay, and here the function is what? U. So you can directly write this also, that is minus ux by uy, like that also you can write. Okay, so now m1 is equal to what? Minus ux by uy. Okay, the same thing you have to find for, that is you have to find slope for the v curve also. If I find out what is the answer I will get, if you go by the implicit formula, means minus vx by vy I will get. Okay, then I am substituting in the thing, that is m1 into m2. If I substitute, what I will get? m1 is nothing but what? Minus ux by uy, and m2 is nothing but what? Minus vx by vy. So minus into minus becomes what? Plus. Then I am writing ux by uy as it is. Now I am changing vx and vy in terms of u. Okay, so what is my vx? Vx is nothing but what? Minus uy, and vy is nothing but what? Ux. Okay, I substituted this one, then ux will get cancelled and uy will get cancelled, then we'll get the answer as what? Minus 1. If m1 into m2 is equal to minus 1, is this implies what? That the both the curves, that u curve and v curve, are orthogonal. Okay, this is what the property number 4 tells us, that is when a function f of z is equal to u plus iv is analytic, then the u and v are constant, then we can say that the two curve are orthogonal. Okay, now we'll move to the property number 5, which is very important for the following properties, ma. Okay, so if f of z is analytic, then we are going to prove that dou square by dou x square plus dou square by dou y square is equal to 4 into dou square by dou z bar. This is what we are going to prove, which is very important. So this dou square by dou x square plus dou square by dou y square can be written as what? Del square. Okay, in sometimes in exam they will give it as del square also, so you should not get any confusion. Okay, so now same thing, I am defining the function f of z as what? U plus iv, and it is already given that it is an analytic function. That is what I wrote it. Okay, now I am defining one z function. Z function is nothing but what? X plus iy. Then obviously its conjugate will be what? X minus iy. From this two, I am finding the value of x and y. Okay, if you add these two things, you will get the x value. If you subtract the two things, you will get what? Y value. Okay, and we already know these things. Anyway, I'll give a clear idea from this diagram. Okay, from this diagram, f is a function of x and y, and x and y is a function of z and z bar. Okay, now how you will find dou f by dou z ma? We already studied in the last semester how to find dou f by dou z, dou f by dou x, then dou x by dou z plus dou f by dou y into dou y by dou z. Okay, I'll repeat one more time. How to find dou f by dou z? See this line, dou f by dou x into dou x by dou z plus dou f by dou y into dou y by dou z. Okay, this is how we have to find. This is for the function f. So here I am not writing any function, I am just defining. Dou by dou z is equal to what? Dou by dou x into dou x by dou z plus dou by dou y into dou y by dou z. Nothing. There I told in the terms of f, here I just removed f, that's all. Okay. Now I am going to find the value for dou by dou z. We already defined x is equal to what? Z plus z bar by 2. Okay. If you differentiate the x with respect to z, what you will get? 1 by 2. Okay, and you defined y function also. What is that one? Z minus z bar by 2y. If you differentiate that y with respect to z, what you will get? 1 by 2i. Okay, for your reference I wrote it here. While going through the study material, you can find little bit easy, I think so. Okay. So from this two things, I am just taking 2 as common. I am taking that to the left hand side. Okay, so what will be my answer? 2 into dou by dou z equal to dou by dou x plus 1 by I into dou by dou y. Obviously you know what is 1 by I. 1 by I is nothing but what? Minus I. If you have any doubt, you can do 1 by I. You just multiply and divide it by I. Okay, so I by I square. I square is nothing but what? Minus 1. So you will get what? Minus I. Okay, so if you do the same thing with respect to z bar, you will get it as what? Here see, if for z what you got? 2 dou by dou z equal to dou by dou x minus I into dou by dou y. In exam you can write similarly like that also you can write, and you can write 2 into dou by dou z bar is equal to what? Dou by dou x plus will come here. Okay, plus I into dou by dou y. Okay, otherwise you can follow these steps also to find the value for dou by dou z bar. Okay, then I will get two equation. If you multiply this two equation, what you will get? 4 into this side. I will first tell the left hand side. So 2 into 2 gives you what? 4. Dou into dou gives you what? Dou square by dou z bar you will get. Okay, and in the right hand side what you will get? Dou by dou x minus I into dou by dou y into dou by dou x plus I into dou by dou y. Obviously that one looks like what? A plus b into a minus b. Hope you people know the formula, a square minus b square. So dou square by dou x square, a square minus b square. So here I square value is what? Minus 1. So minus into minus gives us what? Plus. Okay, so what will be the answer? 4 into dou square by dou z into dou z bar equal to dou square by dou x square plus dou square by dou y square. This property number 5 is very important ma, because for all the coming properties they'll ask you in 8 marks. Okay, before going directly to that one, you have to prove this property. Okay, so for that one you should memorize this property number 5 statement. I'll again read out the property number 5. What is that one? Del square. Del square is nothing but what? Dou square by dou x square plus dou square by dou y square. That is equal to what? 4 into dou square by dou z bar. Okay, that one you have to memorize only. There is no other go. Okay, so before proving all the coming properties, you have to prove this property, then only you have to proceed. Okay, For example, see this sixth property, it is asked so many years in exams, so many years. Okay, so many years this question is asked. Okay, I'll read out the property number 6. That is, already it is given that f of z is an analytic function. Then we are going to prove that dou square by dou x square plus dou square by dou y square into modulus of f of z the whole square equal to 4 into modulus of f dash of z the whole square. Okay, so before going to the proof directly, you have to prove the fifth property. Okay, what is the fifth property? Tells us this dou square by dou x square plus dou square by dou y square is nothing but what? 4 into dou square by dou z bar. Just I am changing this one as what? 4 into dou square by dou z into dou z bar. Okay, and I am writing that modulus of f of z the whole square as it is. Hope you people know modulus of f of z the whole square is nothing but what? F of z into f of z bar. All these things are you already known thing, so I am not explaining much. Okay, so f of z into f of z bar. Okay, again I am splitting the dou square as what? Dou by dou. So what two things I will get? Dou by dou z into dou by dou z bar. Okay, so dou by dou z bar into f of z into f of z bar. Okay, so now I am going to differentiate this f of z into f of z bar in terms of which variable? Z bar variable. Okay, so then obviously you have to consider that f of z as what? Constant. So okay, write that one. You just differentiate f of z bar. What answer you will get? F dash of z bar. Okay, now again the same procedure. Okay, that is you are going to differentiate this f of z into f dash of z bar in terms of what? Z. Okay, then in this one we have to consider f dash of z bar has what? Constant. So write it as it is. Then what is the differentiation of f of z in terms of z? You will get what? F dash of z. Okay, so f dash of z into f dash of z bar is nothing but what? Modulus of f dash of z the whole square. That is modulus of any function. Modulus of f of z the whole square is nothing but what? F of z into f of z bar. Okay, so you may get the doubt that how it is, how it came. So for your clarification I wrote it here. Okay, that is f of how modulus of f dash of f of z the whole square equal to f of z into f of z bar. Okay, you may have any doubt. If it is so, you can go through this part in your study material so that it will give you a clear idea. Okay, this is what the property number 6. Listen ma, property number 6 they'll ask you in 8 marks. Okay, if you prove this much they won't give you 8 marks. That is the reason I'm telling property 5 plays a major role here. So first you have to prove the property number 5, then you have to proceed these things. Okay, and now we'll move to the property number 7. Then obviously property number 7 also depends on property number 5 only. Okay, so what we are going to prove in property number 7 is dou square by dou x square plus dou square by dou y square into log of modulus of f of z is equal to 0. That is what we are going to prove. Okay, the same procedure we already know from the property number 5, that is dou square by dou x square plus dou square by dou y square is nothing but what? 4 into dou square by dou z into dou z bar. Okay, the same thing I am writing here. Then I am splitting that 4 as what? 2 into 2. Okay, then you know what is the formula for log of a power b? We can write it as what? B into log of a. The same thing I am following in terms of reverse thing. Okay, that is here I am writing a into log of b is equal to what? Log of b power a. So this 2 will go to the power of the log of modulus of f of z the whole square. The same thing ma. Modulus of f of z the whole square, how can I write it as? F of z into f of z bar. Okay, then again I am going to split the dou square as what? Dou into dou. Okay, so what I will get? Dou by dou z into dou by dou z bar. Okay, so you know the formula for log of AB. What is the formula for log of AB? Log of A plus log of B. The same thing I am following, log of f of z plus log of f of z bar. Okay, and here first I am going to differentiate this log of f of z plus log of f of z bar in terms of which one? Z bar. Okay, so in log of f of z, no z bar term is there. So obviously we have to consider that as what? Constant. If you differentiate one constant, what answer you will get? 0. Thus it what? This log of f of z becomes what? 0. Now you have to differentiate this log of f of z bar in terms of z bar. What is the differentiation of log x? It is 1 by x. Okay, the same thing. What is the differentiation of log of f of z bar? You will get what? 1 by f of z bar. Okay, and then again you have to differentiate that f of z bar. If you differentiate that one, what you will get? F dash of z bar. Okay, then what is your final answer? F dash of z bar by f of z bar. You are going to differentiate this one with respect to which variable? Z variable. But inside all the terms contains what? Z bar. Okay, so then obviously the full term we have to consider it as what? Constant. If you differentiate any constant, what answer you will get? 0. So 2 into 0 you will get, 2 into 0 is nothing but what? 0. So hence we proved that dou square by dou x square plus dou square by dou y square into log of modulus of f of z is equal to 0. Okay, this is also very important property. See, it is asked twice in exams. Okay, ma'am. Now we will see the property number 8. See, again the property number 8 also depends on the property number 5 only. So when these sums, that is 6, 7, 8 is asked in 8 marks, means first you have to prove the property number 5. Okay, ma'am. So property 8, see, property 8 also very important one. So property 8 is nothing but what? Dou square by dou x square plus dou square by dou y square into modulus of f of z the whole power p is equal to p square into modulus of f dash of z the whole square into modulus of f of z the whole power p minus 2. This is what we are going to prove. So obviously dou square by dou x square plus dou square by dou y square is there in the left hand side. So we are going to use the property number 5 as it is. So what is the property number 5? Dou square by dou x square plus dou square by dou y square equal to 4 into dou square by dou z into dou z bar. Okay, the same thing I am writing here. Okay, and then what is the small thing I am doing with the power p is I am just multiplying and dividing it by 2, because we have to split that modulus of f of z into some terms, but only one formula we know. What is that formula? Modulus of f of z the whole square equal to f of z into f of z bar. That only we know. Okay, to get that square only we are multiplying and dividing it by 2. Okay, so now I got modulus of f of z the whole square. Okay, so now I am just again the same procedure. I am just expanding that modulus of f of z the whole square as what? F of z into f of z bar. Okay, then p by 2 will come. Okay, so then the same procedure, I am splitting that this power will goes, this power p by 2 will goes for both the terms, that is for f of z and for f of z bar also. Okay, I am just writing it as what? F of z the whole power p by 2 into f of z bar the whole power p by 2. Then I am splitting the dou square as what? Dou into dou. So what I will get? Dou by dou z into dou by dou z bar. Okay. So then I am splitting it as what? I am just writing dou by dou z, and which term contains z, that term I am writing it as. What is the term? F of z the whole power p by 2. Then the another term is what? Dou by dou z bar into f of z bar, and the power is what? P by 2. Okay, and what is the differentiation of x power n? N into x power n minus 1. The same procedure I am following here in terms of n. What is here? p by 2 is here. So what I will get, p by 2 into f of z the whole power p by 2 minus 1. And what is the differentiation of f of z? F dash of z. Okay, the same thing will come for z bar also. What is the differentiation of x power n? N into x power n minus 1. Here n is nothing but what? P by 2. So what answer I will get? P by 2 into f of z bar the whole power p by 2 minus 1. Then if I differentiate f of z bar with respect to z bar means what I will get? F dash of z bar. Okay, then obviously the simplification comes here, that is p into p gives you what? P square. 2 into 2 gives you what? 4. So 4 and 4 will get cancelled, so I will get p square. Okay, then I am writing all the dash, that is f dash of z and f dash of z bar as one term, and then f of z into f of z bar as another term. Okay, see, f of z and f of z bar, both the things contains the same power, that is nothing but what? P by 2 minus 1. So that is the reason I am writing it as what? F of z into f of z bar the whole power p by 2 minus 1. Then you know what is f of z into f of z bar? Modulus of f of z the whole square. See here, f dash of z into f dash of z bar is there, then obviously it gives you what? Modulus of f dash of z the whole square. Okay, so I am just using the formula so that I will get this answer. And p by 2 minus 1, if I take the LCM as 2, what I will get? P minus 2 by 2. Okay, then obviously this 2 and 2 will get cancelled, then what else will remains? P minus 2 will be the remaining thing. Okay, that's all. This is the property number 8.